The only way I'm going to get this fish in is by beaching it on the shore. So I'm going to haul the rod back and try and get him onto the shore. Yes, I have won the battle and this fish has landed fair and square on the fly. What an incredible fight this salmon gave. What can I say? Thank God we had rain.